Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to the EVS class. Today, we are going to continue with chapter 14, Unity in Diversity. The topics that we are going to do in today's class is the summarization of the lesson. That is, I'm going to recapitulate whatever we have learned in the previous classes, and also we are going to do the textbook exercise. Learning outcome. At the end of the class, students will be able to develop mutual respect and appreciate diversity of our country, and also to identify the symbols of unity. Let us start the class. Dear children, if you remember in the previous classes, we have learned about what is unity in diversity. Unity means the state of being united, being together. And when we are talking about India, India is a brilliant example of what is known as unity in diversity. If we look at the map of India, we can clearly see there are 28 states and 8 union territories, which means India is a vast country. In all these states, people speak different languages, they have different cultures, different food habits. But at the end of the day, we all feel proud to be addressed ourselves as Indian. National pride is something which has always kept us united. Dear children, the school uniform, your school emblem, your school badge, your school identity card, all these tells from which school you all belong to. Similarly, our national flag, national emblem, national anthem, national animal, they tells that we all are Indians. So dear children, now we are going to know a bit, I'm just going to recapitulate about those national symbols which we have already learned in the previous class. Starting with the Indian flag, the tricolor. There are 3 horizontal bands in the Indian flag. The first band is saffron, which stands for courage and sacrifice. In the middle band is white, which stands for peace. And at the bottom band is green, which stands for life and prosperity. In the middle of the white band, you can see at the center there is the Ashok Chakra, which is also known as the Dharma Chakra. So this Ashok Chakra, there are 24 spokes which represent the 24 hours of a day. Then we have also learned about the national anthem of India, which is Jana Gana Mana. The national anthem of India was written by the Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore. We salute and then we sing the national anthem. We have also learned about the national emblem of India. This national emblem has been taken from the Ashok pillar, which is at Sarnath, Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. So in this national emblem, you can see there are 3 lions standing in facing opposite directions, and there is also a 4th lion which is standing at the back. Now, these lions are standing in a circular abacus. In the abacus, there are in total 4 animals: a horse, a bull, an elephant, and a lion. In the abacus, there is also the Ashok Chakra, which is also used in our national flag. And then below, there is the motto Satyamev Jayate, which means truth always wins. Apart from this, we have also learned about the other Indian national symbols, like the national bird, which is peacock, the national animal, which is the Royal Bengal tiger, the national fruit, which is mango, the national flower, which is lotus, and the national tree, which is the banyan tree. So all these national symbols, they tell that we all are Indians. These are the symbols which has always kept us united. We feel proud to be addressed ourselves as Indians, irrespective of the differences, irrespective of the caste, the religion, the cultures. All those differences, all those diversities, doesn't matter. The single most factor is that we all are Indian, we all are united. So dear children, now let us do the textbook exercise. We have already completed question number 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are going to discuss the responses of question number 5. Question number 5, answer the following. Question A, name the national symbols. So here I have named 6 of them. There are so many national symbols. You can name any of them, and just you have to write the way I have written here. National flag, tricolor. National anthem, Jana Gana Mana. National animal, Royal Bengal tiger. National flower, lotus. National bird, peacock. National tree, banyan. You can also write national fruit, mango. You can write national sports, hockey. You can include those as well. The next question. Question number 5B. What does each color in national flag stand for? Answers. Saffron stands for courage and sacrifice. White stands for peace. Green stands for life and prosperity. Question 5C. Who wrote our national anthem? Our national anthem was written by Rabindranath Tagore. Question 5D. Describe our national emblem. So dear children, this answer, since it's a description, you have to elaborate that answer. The answer you all are going to find in page number 90 of your EVS textbook. Okay, in the third paragraph about the national emblem. You have to describe about the national emblem. You have to elaborate the answer. Moving on to the HOTS questions. Question number 6, the HOTS questions, higher order thinking skills. Question A. What does Ashok Chakra indicates? The Ashok Chakra indicates the Buddhist Dharma Chakra or the laws of righteousness. Question 6B. What is our national song? Name the person who wrote it. So the national song of India is Vande Mataram. It was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Now dear children, these are the important words for today's class. Indicates means to point out or to show something, and righteousness means the quality of being morally right. The quality of being morally right. Okay, that is what righteousness means. Now dear children, this is your homework for today. What you have to do with is in your EVS textbook page number 92, question number 3 of your activity. The question is, do you know that the flags of a few countries are similar to each other? You have to find out about them and share your findings with us. You have to find about a few of them, and then in the next class we are going to share your findings. So dear children, with this I would like to end today's class. Please dear children, stay at home, stay